Hello everyone, this is Speak Up. I hope that you guys are doing great.
No, this is okay.
I have to repeat it. They will like it and enjoy the class.
Nice. Okay, one more time.
Dog is barking.
Okay, last.
Sorry.
The dog is barking.
And, sorry, wait. Okay. Guys, or, sorry.
More naturally. So, why?
Hello everyone, my name is Jay sir, but you can call me Jay for short. I have been teaching English to students of different nationalities and ages for almost 5 years. And I believe that teaching is not only a profession. It should be done with passion and dedication. I am very flexible in class. At first, I try to assess my students' weaknesses, and then I engage them with different kinds of activities. For sure, they will enjoy it and learn better. Online class is very convenient. You can learn anywhere, everywhere. You can have your time, and you will be given the opportunity to speak with your teacher one-on-one. That is great. Speak Up is really good. This one is very different, or I should say unique, from other online tutorials. Because in here, you will arrange your schedule with the teacher and the teacher will give it to you, the curriculum and everything. Without extra monetary taken from you. And that's great. Learning English is really fun. All you have to do is enjoy it. Like watching television, English films, reading English magazines or books, and surfing on the internet. And you will find yourself improving as time goes by. For more questions or information, please refer to the description below. Feel free to leave your comments in the comment section, and I will try my very best to reply the soonest possible time. Students, please leave your comments only in English. Thank you.